Alright, I just did some work in here. I cut out this whole sheet in here. And then I had to, it was kind of difficult to get it cut all the way back to here. There's still a little flap sticking up right here. But, so it looks like that sheet was sitting on top of this frame rail. Frame rail, actually, it's got some surface rust here, but it's not terrible, so I need to clean all that off. Not sure if I'll weld in like a piece of angle iron here to cover that gap. I think it depends on how clean I can get that. This corner here is pretty bad. This is split right here. Still trying to decide if I should take out these spot welds to kind of pull it apart and get more of the rust out, or if I should just clean it up as best I can and spray it with like a rust neutralizer. Yep, so I gotta decide what to do there. Back. So I cut this. So I cut the thing all the way back to here. I'll try to grind the rest of that off. Yeah, real problem is those spot welds because there's rust in between the two pieces of sheet metal. So I'm not sure if I should just maybe pry it apart like I did right there, and then I can get some of that rust penetrant down in there. Not sure what to do about that. Maybe I need to ask somebody who knows what to do about this, because that's going to be a problem with that rust in there. And then on this side, so you can see there's the hole. I don't know what that hole's about right there. There's another rust hole. So I guess what I could do is weld some angle iron pieces here, and then I think if I cut all the rust out, there should be enough there still that I can weld in. Let's see. That's weird. I guess it just welded straight there. It just rusted straight through this sheet metal here. Well, I'll have to bend down the frame and then I can cut that square and then weld a little square patch on there. Yep. So I don't even know if I'm gonna really paint this. I might just have to use that fluid film oil. Just keep the whole thing saturated. That might be the best way to keep the rust from spreading, because there's no way I can really paint this and get paint all in the little crevices and everything. There's going to be traces of the rust in there. So you can see this rust right here. That was underneath the factory paint job, like underneath the yellow factory primer. So it was rusting under the factory paint where there wasn't really any exposed. Like, so this rust here, all this, it was underneath the factory paint job, I'm pretty sure. Although that's pore 15 right there. I'm not really sure. It was yellow when I was grinding this off. There was yellow paint here, so I'm not sure. Okay.